Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making chin chin. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients for this recipe: all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, butter, baking powder, 1 egg, vegetable oil, nutmeg, salt and sugar. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will pour the sugar into the milk and mix to dissolve the sugar. In the flour, I will add half teaspoon of baking powder, then add my nutmeg. I will grate half of this nutmeg inside the flour. I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then mix it. Now I will add my butter. I will mix it together until it becomes combo. Just like this. I will create a hole in the middle of the mixture to add in the egg. Then pour in the milk and sugar mixture. Then mix it very well until the dough is formed. After that, I'll sprinkle some flour on my work surface. I'll put my dough on the work surface. I will sprinkle some flour on the dough and also use some flour to rub my rolling pin. Then roll it out until I get the desired thickness that I want. This is how it looks. Now we start by cutting the dough into strips. Then cut it into square shape. You can cut it any shape you want. After cutting it, I will separate them like this, then set it aside. I will pour my oil into the pot. I will carefully drop a piece of raw chin chin into my preheated oil just to check if the oil is hot enough. The oil is hot enough. Now we gently add some more pieces into the hot oil, not too much, to allow it fry quickly, not to soak up a lot of oil. Then stir it till they are all separated. After that, I will leave it to fry for some time, then stir at interval. I will fry it until I achieve a golden brown color. So now this is perfectly done. It's golden brown. I will now remove it from it and leave it to drain on a paper towel. this is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my chin chin. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.